have something to tell you guys. So, since the festive seasons are very close, shopping for gifts can be so hard, especially when they're girls. And I'm talking because I am one. So, I found literally the best gift for anyone that's interested in skincare, makeup, and anything that's super pretty and very majestical. Come, let's see. You guys saw that, right? And of course you'll want it. That's literally what I thought. I was casually looking for gifts for my mom, and when I saw this, I screamed. She loves Estée Lauder. She uses the night repair, the advanced eye cream, and this one. And she basically has almost everything, and she's repurchased this a bit too many times. And all of this in one set? She was flat out dead. You guys saw that packaging, right? Not only do you get so much product, but you also got this like luxurious, very nice red case, which I'm definitely gonna be using. What are you waiting for? Go get this before it's out! Out! Out now. You really don't listen, do you?